Hi guys, it's me, Mario, and today we got a hailstorm. And look at all this hail. So I'm gonna pick up one. Oh my gosh, look at all these ice balls and all these hail. There's too much of them. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna pick up one. Oh, sorry, hail. Pick one up. Wow, look at that. Alright. Ooh, we got a lot of here. Ooh, it's cold. Now it's windy. That's crazy. Ah. Those are all the clouds that went past. The hailstorm clouds. There's the sun. He's gonna shine. And I got hail on my bum. And yeah, that's crazy. I'll keep you updated if there's more hail coming. Alright guys, that was crazy. And it'll be funny if there's more hail. Alright, it's time to peace. See you later. Bye.